The smoothest and the most tastiest oatmeal porridge you'll ever have. Let me show you how to make it. I'm gonna start off with 4 cups of water. You're gonna put that on medium heat. While that is heating up, I'm gonna show you guys 4 main ingredients that I normally use. I'm gonna start with the nutmeg. I always use this in my porridge. You want your cinnamon sticks. If you can't find the cinnamon sticks, you can use the ground cinnamon. I'm gonna also use my vanilla extract. You need some vanilla extract in your porridge. And my secret ingredients that I normally use is my dried orange peel. Trust me, this is coming from way back. I saw my people using this back home in their porridge, and trust me, it gives it a nice flavor. I'm gonna add the orange peel and the cinnamon stick, and also I'm adding some coconut milk. So I'm gonna let that come to a boil, and then I'm gonna prep the oats. I'm using instant oatmeal. Then I'm gonna add some flour because I'm gonna blend that together with some water. All of the measurements will be in the description or in the comments. You'll see all of the measurements. So once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add my mixture. Again guys, you want to be cooking this on medium to low heat because it will boil over. You don't want it to boil over and get the stove all messy, so ensure that you're cooking it to medium heat. I'm gonna let this cook for about 7 minutes because oats doesn't take that long to cook. And after that, I'm gonna add my vanilla extract. I'm gonna mix that in. Following my nutmeg, I'm gonna use a small grater, and I'm gonna use about half of the nutmeg. You wanna use the very small part of the grater to do that. Then I'm gonna add my sugar. This is my choice of sweetener. You can also use condensed milk. I used about 3/4 of a cup of sugar, but you can use condensed milk, and this part all comes down to what you want. If you have to sweeten it to your liking. I'm going to add a crack of salt. You need salt balances out the flavor, so you need to put a little bit of salt. Don't put too much now, and then you're gonna taste it and see if you like it. If not, you adjust the sweetening. And there you go. This is so smooth, delicious. This is the perfect breakfast to have on a Saturday morning with your family, and you can eat it alongside with some fried dumpling or some water crackers. Let me know what you would have this with, or you will just have it alone. But guys, follow this recipe, this exact recipe, and you should get some nice oatmeal porridge. Let me know if you tried it, guys, and let me know if this is how you make your porridge down in the comments. And once again, go ahead and follow, like, share this video, and just follow to get more tips and tricks and ingredients on some nice Jamaican flavorful food. I'll catch you next time.